Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. It is March 13th, 2013, and I wanted to review. Our trading from today. Today was a rugged day, contract rollover day, very, very, very volatile, and rough day to trade. We wound up doing okay. First, let's take a look at the Russell. Now, the Russell what really hurt us on the Russell. Now, first, this is an auto trader trade. It was a break of the 50. The 15 was with the trade. Both the 50 and the 15 were green. You can see the candles outlined blue. There was a first target auto trader win. And the auto trader took two trades today, one on the Russell, one on gold, and they were both winners. Now, this trade was a beautiful C candle right into a swing pivot. A lot of people in the room took it. I don't like taking trades into pivots, but it's starting to appear to me that these C candle entries are pivot busters, because this just crashed this pivot right through, and then we got the same thing happen here. Once the 15 and the 50 turn red, and you get that C candle engulfing off the 15, bam, down it goes. I didn't take either one of these. These were big winners, and because of the pivots. I got to reevaluate that. Now, we've had multiple winning bounces off the 50. This one was on a hammer, which was a weak bounce, and it only went 4. We needed 5, and then it overran the trade, and we took a loss. This is an over-aggressive trade. I would not short a bounce off the 50 on a hammer. Then we had this is a little bit of an aggressive trade. A move through. Luckily, what bailed us out was that the market then formed a C after our entry. And that C candle carried the trade 24 ticks. Hooray for the C. And that was really it. I mean, the two issues on the Russell today were this overly aggressive hammer short, and then these two great trades into pivots that just completely blew through. Now you can see this C candle didn't work, and this C candle at the same level did work. So you just don't know when you're trading the right edge, and you don't have that crystal ball in your pocket. You just don't know what's going to happen, because this is the exact same structural setup as this one was. Same level. Everything is really pretty much the same. So, tough calls. Crude. Just one trade today. This was a nice C, which I just did not see. That went first target. Another C. Just didn't see him. I'm trying to trade multiple markets. Now this was the pit opening, right at 9 o'clock. Oh, sorry, that's why I didn't see him. I'm sorry. Those were like at 4 o'clock in the morning. Now these this was a great move to the downside, but right on the pit open, which we don't trade. Now these were bounces off of nowhere. Can't take a reversal unless it's right off the 50. Tough setups today. And then we had the C candle, which was a nice entry. And then finally, we had this bounce off the 50 that went 18 ticks. And this is really kind of it gave us some heat. This wick was aggravating and heart-stopping, but eventually the trade pushed through for 18 ticks. And then on gold, Gold hurt us today. Now we had this break of the 50. Again, it was a bit of an aggressive trade that went for 7. And here was a perfect break of the 15, right here on this candle. 50's green, 15's green, went nowhere. I closed the trade at -7. Then we had a retracement, strategy entry, triple momentum signal, order flow and momentum with us. The trade went, I don't know, 2 ticks or 3 ticks. Not much. It went 3. Kabam. We took a loss. Then we got another break of the 15. And this one went for 11. So gold was not an easy chart to trade today, and these are great signals. And we take very few losses on perfect structural setups with this type of indicator confirmation. And today was just a very choppy day, and we lost these 2 trades. This was a C candle. We were already in a trade at the time that this candle formed. We were in the crude trade that went for 18. So here's how we finished the day. Not an easy day today. Now we had $1,200 yesterday, $540 on Tuesday, and $500 on Monday. Today was a lot tougher. And here we are. Now we had 7 trades, 4 winners and 3 losers. The Russell plus 24 and -10, crude plus 18, gold plus 11 plus 7, and that was the crude hurt us. That -10 tick loss was a really nice setup. -7, really nice setup. Net ticks plus 33. Our net equity was a grand total of $20. With commissions, this was not a positive day, but it was a real rugged day to trade. And we closed the day with 2 winners, 2 second target winners. So we made $600 back. So we broke back, or we could have had a negative equity day. Then the auto trader took 2 trades, 2 winners. Now this is a stellar piece of software. It only took 2 trades because of the choppiness and the difficulty in getting the market to align. But it took a 5-tick win on the Russell and an 11-tick win on gold for a net equity of $300. The auto trader continues to roll on. Has only had 1 negative net equity day since we turned it on, and it's closing in now on a month. You can check out the net equity on the auto trader on our website, www.rightlinetrading.com. You can also find a link there for a free trial in the trading room. You can call us at 1-855-765-6681 or email us at info@rightlinetrading.com. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have or talk to you about the auto trader. Everybody have a really wonderful day. Bye-bye.